Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful flower like motif and the square which is titled as Savannah, and this is worked best with color changes. Using solid colors, change the color round after round. Let's go into the video without much wastage of time. Make a magic ring. Now place 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets 3 times. First 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets 3 times. So place chain 2, 3 double crochets 3 times. I shall also place and get back. Come to the end of the row here, chain 2, slip stitch and fasten off. Now with color 2 or color B, and any chain 2 space, slip stitch and join. Chain 1 and make a single crochet here in the same space. And skip 1 DC, make 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles in the next. Three doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. And now under next chain 2 space, make a single crochet. Again skip 1 DC, in the middle DC, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. Repeat this pattern all around. I shall complete and get back. We've come to the end of this round here. Slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten off. Slip stitch, join and fasten this off. I shall be back with color 3. I'll hide all these yarns after I complete this swatch. Okay, now I'm going to take a darker shade, dark red, again slip stitch and join to one of the chain 2 spaces with a single crochet. First slip stitch and then make a single crochet there. Chain 1, and in the single crochet of the previous round make 4 doubles, chain 2, 4 doubles. Sorry, yeah, this is the stitch. Four doubles, chain 2, 4 doubles. Now to go over to the next chain space, chain 1. Chain 1, place a single in the chain 2 space. Again chain 1, on the SC make four doubles, chain 2, 4 doubles. Continue this pattern all around. I shall complete and get back to you. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten off. Now we'll be working with the very first color. The next 2 rounds I shall be back with that color again. Now with color A, slip stitch to one of the chain 2 spaces here. Make 1 single crochet. We are completing this corner. Chain 2, 1 single crochet. Having placed this corner, place 1 single crochet each on each of the stitches, 1 single crochet under this chain 1 space 2. So every stitch you're going to place 1 single crochet till you reach the next corner. So don't miss out the very first stitch. We are very likely to miss out the very first stitch after the corner. So place the single crochets till this corner. I shall get back to you when I reach this particular corner. We've come to the corner here. In the corner, place 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. It's a very simple round. It's a single crochet round. So place the single crochets in the corners. You place 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Complete the other 3 sides. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the very first single crochet that we did. Join. And on the same stitch you can place a double crochet. You can chain 3 and begin also. Sorry. Next we come to the corner. In the corner, 1 double, chain 2, 1 double. And every stitch place 1 double. Every single crochet place a double. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 single crochets in the previous round. Place 1 double in each of these 13 single crochets. In the corner, 1 double, chain 2, 1 double. So repeat this pattern all around. So every side will have 15 double crochets, chain 2, 15 double crochets, including the corner DCs. So without the corner doubles, it's 13 doubles. Then in the corner, 1 double, chain 2, 1 double. Continue this all around. This is how it will look. So continue this all around. I shall get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first stitch. This is where we need to slip stitch into. And fasten off and hide the yarn. I shall fasten off, hide the yarn and get back. Here we go. This small motif, which is a 5 round stitch pattern, is titled as Savannah, and it looks good only with the 3 colors that we use. It's a multiple color design, and if we work it out in the single color, solid color, the designs will not be visible. Okay, and it's a good pattern for your decorative pieces. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like the small stitch pattern under the Granny Square series. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. A humble request, if you are a first time viewer for our channel, Please do subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share too. Bye friends, have a great day.